Hi, this is the Vacuum and Sewing Doctor. Well, today we're going to show you how to clean and oil a newer style sewing machine and thread the sewing machine. So we'll just pull up a chair here, and what we're going to do now on these newer sewing machines here, you need special tools to pull these apart. So you really can't, the average do-it-yourselfer at home cannot do these. But what you can do is, you can buy yourself a little brush like this. You can open up the inside here, and when you see excess lint, you can brush it out inside there. And you can take your oiler, and you can put a little drop of oil inside there. That's all I recommend on the newer style sewing machines, because newer ones, you'll need special tools to pull the whole machine apart, and once you get in there, you don't want to oil something that shouldn't be oiled. So now that we covered oiling on the new Viking sewing machine. By the way, did I say it's on sale for $1.99? Oh, I had to throw that in. Now, let's go back to the threading here. Most of all these sewing machines here, you'll just wind the thread, the bobbins, which is a bobbin on the top here, like on this new Viking over here. You just press that over like that, and the machine will automatically declutch for you. So since the machine will declutch, that means it's not going up and down. So it has what they call an auto declutch. When you, some machines you have to declutch on the side here or pull something out. And when it's running like this, the machine's not declutched. But when you push this over, it's an auto declutch. Notice how the needle's not winding up and down. So on any type of newer sewing machine here, basically you'll have a spot right up at the front here, a thread guide where it'll help wind the thread evenly for your bobbin. So we'll just wind a little bit of thread around like that, press that, and we'll wind some thread on your bobbin. That's all there is to do on winding thread on bobbins on most of today's sewing machines here. So after you wind some thread on there, we just take the bobbin off like this. We take the bobbin case out like this here. So you got a bobbin case inside here. And we're going to put a new bobbin case in. So on the new bobbin case, cameraman, let's take a look at this here. You'll have a bobbin case and a bobbin. So you put your bobbin in like this. There'll be a little slice right there. What you do is you slide the thread through that little slice. Then a lot of these older machines or newer styles like this will have a little arm. So you just take the little arm, hold on to it like this, tilt the machine back here, and then you just install the bobbin just like that. So very, very simple. Okay, now we're going to go to threading the sewing machines. A lot of people have threading with sewing machines. I always get somebody in telling me how they've been sewing for 50 years. Don't tell them how to thread their sewing machines. Well, newer style machines thread a little bit different. So when you get a new sewing machine, it's like learning all over again. But this machine here is very simple to thread. You go up, bring the thread up here into what they call your take-up lever. You bring it down in here like that. A lot of sewing machines now will have auto needle threaders. A lot of them really don't work that good, but here is a needle threader, which by the way I do sell. These run $15. These will work with any sewing machine there. So what's nice about these needle threaders here is you just line the thread on up, push it on through, and presto, we pull the thread through. Now this is all done in one take. So I threaded the needle in one take. I didn't have to double back and do this. So now that you got everything all threaded, you leave a little bit of thread hanging there. You turn your hand wheel, get a shot of that there. So you turn the hand wheel towards me and it will pull up the thread. After the thread is pulled up, you're done on the threading process there. So you can put your arm back in. And if you want to do some sewing there, let's grab some thread here, or some material. And what's nice about these Vikings is, by the way, this Viking is on sale for $1.99. The Viking is a Swiss design sewing machine. We're going to just do a simple straight stitch, but what's nice about this particular machine here is, there's 2 layers of denim right there. No problem there. On the top of the machine, this is your tension right here. And then over the side is your stitch length on how long you want to get your stitches. So there we go through 2 layers of denim. No problem on this Viking. This is a Swiss design machine. Now what's nice about this machine here is this has side cutters. I'm going to turn this to the side a little bit there. And all you do is you just cut the thread onto the side. A lot of older machines have cutters in the back, which you never will find. But there's 2 layers of denim there. So let's do something a little bit harder for this machine. Well, there's 4 layers of denim for this machine. Still, no bogging down. The machine is sewing like a champ there. So let's really test the machines to its limits. Let's fold it one last time here. So now we're probably getting a good, we're probably getting a good 8 layers probably now there. So we got 8 layers of denim here. So we're going to lift it up just a little bit higher. Something this heavy, I should put a heavier needle, but I'm not for the commercial because time is precious here. So we're going to put the needle in, and there we go through 8 layers of denim. So again, I want to remind you, this is the Vacuum and Sewing Doctor. We got brand new Viking Husqvarna sewing machines on sale. This model is an E10 model. As you can see, it goes through 8 layers of denim with no problem. If you got any questions, give us a call at 523-6978, area code 209. We're done.